guys, welcome to Aşkı with me Zara will brings you happiness. So in this video I want to react to Game of Thrones. It's not Game of Thrones but it's Game of Thrones. I'm so curious what kind of this video. Okay, let's start.
In the bulletin in Syria, where Turkish drone strikes have killed 19 government soldiers.
Turkish positions this week in Idlib.
Turkish forces striking the Syrian army's ammunition depots.
Nord de la Syrie, l'armée turque poursuit son pilonnage.
In the region have escalated in the recent days after
Shot down 2 Syrian jets.
Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
Wow guys, the modern technology of Turkish drone, wow, it's so amazing. So I'm sorry if I'm wrong, but the Turkish Bayraktar TB2 UAV was developed by Turkish defense firm Baykar. It can fly at 22,500 feet and can remain aloft for over 24 hours. From this height, it can conduct reconnaissance as well as laser-guided missile strikes. Wow, it's so amazing. I hope all Turkish army always blessed by Allah. Amen. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. But don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video.